2017 Charger SRT 8. It's got long tube headers, high flow cats. We did a mid muffler delete, and it's still got the stock rear mufflers on it. I'll let you guys hear it. That's the long tube headers. That's what they changed the sound a lot with high flow cats on these cars. Shout out to my boy if you guys want to check his channel out. That's the name of his channel right there. Give it again. They never disappoint. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. Wasn't kidding.
And we're flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till I shatter.